Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Super excited as always. This is the iPhone SE first generation. So I would like to discuss something about this iPhone. So I purchased this iPhone nearly 3 weeks ago for very cheap price actually. This iPhone still goes on eBay for about 70-80 pounds, which is even some places 100 pounds. This is quite well, it's not expensive, but if you can buy one for very affordable cheap price, definitely you should go for it because you get a lot for your money. So I purchased this iPhone actually from Facebook Market. There was a chap, he was selling this iPhone for 60 pounds. So you know what, this is pretty good. I checked the prices first and there was about 80 to 100 pounds on eBay, even on the marketplace. So you know what, 60 pounds, get it in. So this is pretty good deal actually. 60 pounds. This is with 32 gigabytes, which actually is very good deal, and we get a lot for your money. So the reason for today's video is I want to talk about why you should buy one in 2020, especially now because the iPhone 12 is just on the corner, so the prices even will drop more. The reason for this video is because I had this phone for nearly 3 weeks and I love it. This is great iPhone. Actually, I use it for a week. I put my main SIM card. Pretty good phone. If you want to see the video about that, it's gonna be in the descriptions down below, or probably it's gonna be on the end of this video, so check it out. But 60 pounds you get a lot of for your money. So the camera of this phone is great. Also, this runs the latest version of the iOS, which is pretty good. And let me show you. So this phone runs the iOS 14.1, which is crazy. This is nearly 5 years old iPhone and runs the latest version of the iOS. But we know that Apple is doing pretty good job to optimize the old phones. So far it's been great, no complaints whatsoever. And this is the reason that I love this phone. We have a 4-inch display. Obviously, this is not for everyone. Some people probably will not buy this phone because it's a small, but I come from 6-inch display. This is my Pixel XL2. I love this phone, it's great, but now I'm get used to use this 4-inch display. Specs, this is pretty good. We have the A9 Bionic chip from Apple with 2 gigabytes of RAM. We have pretty good specs even after 5 years, nearly 5 years, and this thing still runs pretty good after nearly 5 years. So definitely this is a must to have. And the reason for that is probably I think Apple will update this phone at least one more year. Probably I believe that we'll get iOS 15. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications if you want to see more further future updates about the iPhone SE. And yeah, this is the reason that I bought this phone, because obviously I can go with iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, but I like the nostalgia. This is great phone, 4-inch display. Obviously, like I said, it's not for everyone, but if you like 4-inch type of display, small, compact, that you can use it one-handed, this is great. This thing works pretty fine. All the apps works fantastic. You can play games. Camera is great. And something interesting that I want to talk about is the reason that I bought this phone obviously is not just because I want to have an Apple phone. Other reason, and the reason is because I have a Beats Solo 2. I believe this is the Solo 2, Solo Pro 2, I think. So if you have a Beats headphones at home, and this is one of the reasons that I recommend this phone, because they're cheap, they're very good, they're up to date. So, and if you have a Beats product at home. They obviously you can use them immediately. You don't need additional app to compare the Beats Solo 2. I think it's Solo 2. Obviously, with my Pixel XL2, I need to download the Beats app, but because they have the H1 chip inside and the connection is fantastic. So I'll demonstrate now. So as you can see, now I'll unfold the Beats and they should connect immediately. As you can see, Solo Pro 2. This is great. This is great. So again, connected. That's it. Less than 5 seconds, less than a second. Now they talk to each other, they connect immediately, and this is the reason that I recommend to buy iPhone 6s or even iPhone SE. So they connected, the battery is 100%. I don't need any apps, but yeah, this is another reason why I bought this iPhone SE. But there's many reasons. Obviously, compact design, runs the latest version of iOS, still works great in 2020. Very cheap price. You can buy this, like I mentioned, I bought this for £60. You can buy this for £70 to £80, depends on the memory version you go for. But yeah, definitely you should get one if you like this size 4-inch display, and you get a ton of features with latest version of the iOS. So I don't know, guys, let me know what do you think. Leave your thoughts in the descriptions down below in the comments. Check some other videos that I did. I did a video about the iOS 14. Also, I did a video about the battery, if you want to check that as well, how the battery performed with the iOS 14. And yeah, man, guys, I'm super excited for future videos. So make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, otherwise you'll miss a video. So leave the comments. Leave your thoughts in the description, in the comments down below. I don't know why I say description all the time, but yeah, leave the comments down below. Let me know which iPhone do you use, and do you agree with this Solo Pro connection thing. So probably you have a Solo Pro at home. Let me know if you want to do a video about this Solo Pro. I did a video a couple of months ago when they came out, nearly 3 months ago, I think. So this is a pretty good video it's gonna be. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, and I'm going to see you in the next video.